Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your old Instagram stories or memories. So go to Instagram, head over to your profile, and on the upper right of the screen, click on the hamburger icon, click on archive, and then automatically these are your memories. So as you can see here, you have stories archive. And then if you click on the arrow button, you can also see your posts archive right here. And that's it. So yeah, if you want to view your stories, just click on the hamburger sign, go to archive, and check out your old memories. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit a like and of course the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.